last time I was not able to finish ziti with, yeah, it was a big ziti. So I had to carry that back today because I wanted to really make this big ziti pasta. So today I am actually being sponsored by TruLocal, and all their meat is locally sourced. It's the top-notch quality. So I'm really excited to be working with their ground beef, because ground beef and Italian food are just a perfect combination. So yes, I'll also mention my code so you can give it a try, and let's get cooking. First thing first, we have to make our sauce, right? And to really season this, we need our onion. So I'm just gonna thinly chop this. That is a lie if you have not done that. Okay, so I'm gonna drizzle my pan with olive oil, and I got my heat set at medium-high heat, and immediately I'm going to start pouring my chopped onions here. Let me spin that around. Oh yes, sounds good and smells good already. Woo! Okay, so now I'm gonna season with my garlic powder, a generous amount. I'm adding like 4 tablespoons, about that much. So last episode I made lasagna, and after I tasted it, to be honest, it tasted like it was lacking flavor. So I brought my own seasoning to really enhance the flavor of it, because it has to taste good. I mean, yes, he has amazing, like 9 million followers or something, but my food has to taste good, so that's my opinion. And rosemary is one of the main ingredient to really get that fragrance out of it, and I'm adding about a tablespoon of rosemary here, which seems like a lot, but it's not. We're cooking a whole pot of, or a whole pound of pasta here. So about a tablespoon, and Sicilian seasoning. All right, I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons here, generous amount. I'm very generous, like an Asian Italian mom. That makes no sense. So keep stirring it, cook it down. Look at this. It already looks like Italian sauce, right guys? Like a lot of herbs here. So keep cooking, and actually instead of adding more oil, in the middle, while the onions are cooking, we're gonna add in our sausage, which is right here. Sealed nicely. Oopsie. Crazy. So this is Italian sausage. It's hot, and if you don't like hot, obviously mild is always an option lately. So I've got about ½ pound of Italian sausage here, and then our pound of ground beef. Wow, look at this ground beef. This quality is amazing. Okay, so now that our meat is starting to cook, it is time to add our pasta. So here, while the meat's still a little pink, I'm gonna add in our tomato paste, which is the best in my opinion. I'm adding 2 tablespoons, and it's adding our pasta, our ziti. If you don't have organic, that's fine too. Add it all in. So I'm gonna turn down the heat because we just added our sauce, and here comes our real secret here. And pour the sauce away from you. Oh my goodness. Gotta love Costco, you guys. It's huge. It's bigger than like regular size. Okay, so we are definitely on low heat because you don't want this splash. Not that it was bad. I'm not saying that it was bad, but I'm always looking for something better, right? That's the goal of improvement. So I got a whole 16 ounce of cottage cheese. So 2 eggs. I'm gonna give it a nice mix. And so the sauce I'm making is actually for rigatoni in his video, but he said this was the best. So it's just a different pasta, as you can see. So gonna mix it all nicely, and then nutmeg, a little bit of he doesn't say how much, but because it's like such a distinct smell of it, I'm gonna use like an 1/8 teaspoon of that. It's kicking in. Freshly chopped. So be very careful. Hey, pretty successful. And then another half goes in here. Starting to look like, I don't know, lasagna almost. And then we have our 3-ounce Parmesan, grated. Because it's so heavy and I don't trust myself. Oh my God, okay. On the top rack, just like this. Low, medium heat for a couple minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, let's find out, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's sliding. Okay, I gotta be real quick here. Oh man. Okay guys, this is it. Put our Parmesan, because I'm extra that way. I make all kinds of recipes, not just Asian recipes. I do make a lot of Asian recipes, so if you are intrigued by that, do let me know in the comments. But I upload, but I have a new video every single Tuesday on YouTube, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button, because every Tuesday morning, you're gonna wake up to a new video. And if you're not connected yet on Instagram, I am at Yuna Cooks, so let's connect. And I hope you make this. I'll see you at your next favorite recipe.